when you try to install the share printer and you got this error, that is window could not connect to the printer. Let's solve this error in a very easy way. So on the client PC, type Windows and type credential and select credential manager and click on Windows credential, then click on add a Windows credential. Then in the internet or network address, type the IP address of the server or the PC sharing the printer. Now the username, this is the main reason which we can't connect to the printer. Let's derive this username from the server. So let's flip to the server. So on the server PC, type Windows plus R together and type cmd and click on OK. Then on the command prompt, type echo %username % and hit enter. Then note this username. After this, let's do some setting on the server. So click on window and type on control panel and select control panel and click on view network status and tasks. Then click on change advanced sharing setting and click on private network and allow this network discovery on and file and printer sharing on. After this, create a password for the server or the PC sharing the printer. If already have the password, then don't create, then restart the server. Now let's flip to the client PC. Now type the username, that is Impulse Hospital, which was derived from the command prompt of the server. Then type the password of the server and click on OK. Now let's try to install the share printer. So it is successful.